Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vanilla cake. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 5 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. For wet ingredients, have 5 cup of whole milk, 2 large eggs, and 5 cup of unsalted butter, all at room temperature. Also, measure out 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Now, let's start mixing. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, making sure each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, alternate adding your dry ingredients and milk, beginning and ending with the dry mixture. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into a greased and floured 8-inch round cake pan. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a wooden skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. With your cake completely cooled, it's time for the best part, frosting. Prepare a simple vanilla buttercream using 5 cup of softened butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Spread this delicious frosting evenly over your cake. Slice, serve, and enjoy your homemade vanilla cake. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.